Good morning, all of you, my student. Today I will start MSW logo basic commands. That logo is a chapter. That is a chapter that is called language, means computer language. That is the starting language of a computer logo. So you are the junior. Now you can start with the logo, means turtle will listen to your voice or turtle will listen to your commands. What you are giving the command, turtle will move as per your direction. So you need to understand only that means command. Suppose I am giving you the commands that bring a glass of water, bring a stick, bring a duster. So these are the command by the teacher you need to follow. Do not go there. These are the command, but you are listening that we no need to go there. In same way, we are giving the instruction to the computer by the using of logo. Then turtle will move or will do the work by following your command. So here is some learning objects that what we will learn from the logo. Backward command. Backward command means whenever we will say BK, then turtle will move back. One symbol will be there, that is called turtle. Forward means when we will write FD, there is a command of short form. This is the full form of the command. Forward means turtle need to go forward. Right command. Right means need to turn the right side, left side. Home means where the turtle is starting their commands, that is called home. Means starting position of the turtle is called home position. Set, by the set command you can straight the turtle heads. Clear screen, by this command you can clear the screen after doing so many work. Clear text, you can write the text in logo, so you can clear the text. Hide turtle, so turtle will be there, so you can hide. Sometime you are making a figure, that time you need to hide the turtle. By the using of HT command you can hide the turtle. Show turtle, so after hiding, suppose you need to show your title, then ST you need to write the ST. These are the full form of the command show turtle. Repeat means by the repeat command we can give the command to the turtle, repeating a same program by 100 times, by 50 times as per my requirement. Or by by command means you need to come out from the logo. So these are the clear pictures. These are the full form of the logo command. Whenever you will see the logo command, that time it will be the FD, BK, back, right, RT, left, LT, home. That means home you need to write only home here. Set you need to write set, there will be no short form. Clear screen, CS. Clear text, CT. Hide turtle, HT. Show turtle, ST. Repeat, that will be full of repeat, REPEAT. You need to write the full word. By, BYE, by. So I have here written that you have to give the command this way. FD 100. Suppose you are writing FD space 100, the turtle will move 100 steps. If you are giving back means turtle will move back side. Okay, suppose we are walking in a road. Whenever there will be the right side, we need to turn the right. Left side, we need to turn our body in left side. And whenever walking in forward, then our head is straight, we are walking forward. Same way how we are working in a road, in same way turtle also will be moved by the command what we are giving. So first of all, you just today page number 100 and 101 go through this chapter first 2 page and try to understand this command. This is a different type of chapters in computer, so just you need to understand first of all that is this very interesting turtle picture also here is given. Okay, this is a turtle, but you are looking in computer not like this way, and maybe there will be a triangle, maybe there will be sometime you can look it like a turtle. So you will try this page. Next time I will give you, and in this page there is some drawing also, that how to make it. Whenever turtle will move, that time there will be a black lines, black ink will be there, then you can understand the turtle is moving. Okay.